If you swing, you're not fit.
Get on there. Get on your knees. Get on your knees right now. On your face. On your face. On your face.
On February 28th, 2025, at 10:16 a.m., state troopers tracked down Electra Chulie for minor traffic violations, but the encounter exploded when they tried to box her in and she rammed a police cruiser to escape.
Don't f***ing move. Get out of the car.
What did I do?
Get out of the car.
What did I do?
Get out of the car.
Why? What did I do?
Turn the car off for me. I'll talk to you in a minute.
Why? I didn't do anything.
I'll talk to you in a minute. Okay? You failed to maintain your lane and you don't have a front plate.
Do anything.
I will talk to you in a minute.
What
You're
did I do,
Electra,
sir?
correct? Open the door, please.
Can you please tell me what I did? I don't understand.
I'll tell you in a second. Just open the door.
Why can't you tell me what I did?
Open the door.
Can you please tell me what I did?
I'll tell you in a minute.
But, no, I didn't.
Just open the door, please.
Why do I have to open my door?
I got a lockout kit. That's not a big deal, dude. I'll explain more once you cooperate with me.
Because I went over a lane?
I'll explain more once you cooperate with me.
Sir, I don't understand.
Could you please just open the door? I don't want to break the window. Can you just open the door?
Why would you do that, sir? I don't understand what I did.
You're Electra, correct?
Right?
Okay. You're the owner of the car?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So step out of the car.
Because I went over a lane?
Nah, it's all bullshit, dude. Let me tighten it up. Hey, can you spot for me in number 4?
What bull?
Just open the.
You said that I went over a lane and you're trying to get me out of my car? Why?
I'm gonna talk to you, okay?
Okay, so please tell me. No, sir. I don't understand. What did I do? Sir, why are you doing this?
Do you want me to break the window?
No!
You want me to open it?
Yeah. Can you please explain to me why you're doing this?
Ma'am, you got
I went over a lane?
Ma'am, you got a warrant, okay?
For what?
I believe it's at Old Saybrook, Troop F's area.
How?
I'll explain it in a minute.
Can you show me I have a warrant?
I'll show you if you get out. We're just gonna.
I'm scared right now. Like, what?
I'm going to break the window if you don't.
Why? I don't understand. I don't understand why you're doing this.
Please open the door.
Why? I didn't do anything.
Step out of the car. It's a lawful order from the state police. Get out of the car.
What are you doing? No. What are you?
I might just shoot a little pepper spray in the car, but then I gotta.
What did I do?
Give me my stick back. Give me my stick back. There you go.
Open the door. He's breaking the window. Open the door.
Open the door. Open the.
He's gonna break your window. Do you want a broken window? Do you want a broken window? So open the door.
Watch out. She's in gear.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Open the door. Ram in the car.
Ram the cruiser. Right here. Deflated. You're north on 97.
It's like prior to 19.
Right here on 395. 97.
Alright, she's getting off 19.
Right here, get off my gate.
Taking a left northbound.
Take 310 ahead of me. Trooper, northbound, about 75.
Approaching Kendall.
Roger on Kendall.
And she's giving it up. 100 yards in.
Roger, she's stopping.
Is that her?
It's not it.
That's not it.
Nah, 455. You got the wrong one. Jesus. Alright, who had last direction of travel? This isn't the one.
We're looking for a woman who took off on us. In case if you see anybody running through, just call 911.
Liz, I have Liz.
Oh, you're the lease owner.
Liz owner, yeah.
Unconfirmed, which direction?
Yeah, I saw a car take a left at 97 and some person on the highway pointed.
How much does it cost for the pump?
Average $5,000 to $6,000, definitely.
But up to 10, you think?
Yeah, up to 10, just
Up to 10, okay.
I'm just going to be seen north on 169 at normal driving. We're taking a call from Kendall Road about a male that took off on foot.
And there's only a female in the car?
Roger. Well, Kendall Road Extension and Shrenant Road.
I knew she turned down on that road, bro. I knew she turned on the road, bro.
Nah, there's something here, Kendall Extension.
Come up here.
Trip, there's a 10 with that vehicle, unattended. Imagine that's the female who's booking it through the neighborhood. This thing, yeah. They're actually, hang on, I got it. They're going to have a dog, so.
Oh. People at the residence said she ran behind 3 strands.
Do you guys happen to see the girl run? So would she run through here?
Yep, she came right behind the seat.
Yep.
Up here, straight back there. There's a lot of fallen trees and woods and a fence back there.
Just keep everyone in the house because they're going to run the dog. Thank you.
Hey, you're gonna get bit! Show me your hands, you're gonna get bit! Show me your hands, he's gonna bite you! Crawl towards me now, he's gonna bite you! Come here! Go that way towards that trooper! You move, he's gonna bite you!
Don't do anything stupid, you understand me?
Oh, you got it!
Not to run.
If you're running, you're not bit!
Not to run.
Get on there, get on your knees, get on your knees right now. On your face, on your face, on your face.
After fleeing a multi-town chase and abandoning her car, Chulie was tracked down by a canine unit under a deck where she admitted to swallowing roughly 15 bags of fentanyl to hide the evidence.
Don't go that
Just say that
Hey, she was smoking something when she threw that car.
Do you have any narcotics on you, man?
No, I took them all.
What's wrong with you, huh?
Let's go. He stepped on my
Anything stupid.
He stepped on my pants.
Okay.
Did he bite her? No.
She was smoking a crack pipe or something. She threw it up there in that back left corner.
No one's stepping on your pants.
You stepped on my pants before we walk. Why are you hurting me like that?
What does he think she threw?
Are you joking right now?
Dead serious.
I took all of the drugs. You should bring me to the hospital.
Nope.
Okay, I'm done.
You're going back to the truth. Nobody gets.
Wow, okay. Is your camera on?
Yep, it's on.
And they see you
It
hurting
was
me
on when
like
you
this?
ran my car, too.
Okay, you're hurting me. I
don't
can't
care.
walk when one's pulling this way and one's pulling that way. Oh, God. Are you serious right now?
Lean up against the car.
You just threw me
Lean
against the car. Is that a
Don't
joke?
move from the car.
I haven't. You just threw my face against it.
Seat.
I'm trying. I can't. Exactly.
Lean back.
I was literally just coming down to check this area again. I was tossing every garbage can I found along the road.
Is you the one driving me?
Yep, I am.
I don't feel safe with him.
That's what happens when you ram cars and take off. Thank you for getting my car dirty.
How many bags did you swallow?
My face against the car. Are you kidding me? You're gonna lose your job. You slammed my face against the car. Over 100. I told you I need to go to the hospital. He said he didn't give a f. And then slammed my face against the car.
I'll bring her out. I'll search her.
I thought, yeah, bring her back out. Yeah, I thought Trish did a little pat down, but yeah.
He threw me against the car and he's tossing me
Unfortunately, it's
around.
gonna keep happening.
on you that's going to stick me
I don't have anything on me at all.
Did you swallow that? You're going to bring her to the hospital? Yes.
That's what I told him.
Do you know how many?
A lot.
We have an ambulance coming here, right?
What's that?
I said I was trying to help him. Sorry. You were looking at me crazy. I was trying to help him. I was trying to hurt him.
It's just for me. When you're putting her in there, you see the forearm, just like you were taught, right? Against her chest, holding her back. And get that seat all the way up front. If she would wiggle out, her feet are free, so. Yeah. So just redo it. So, we'll see. There you go. Just the seat.
Could you call my dad and tell him, like, my car and
We'll get that sorted out in a few. Get something like that. You won't leave your hanging out like that. Spit on it. First and foremost, you're going to have to get checked out. I can't believe. What are you thinking? Swallowing all that? I know, but just take the hit. You know what I'm saying? Like, you took all that.
I did, see, man. Like, I thought this was like, I didn't think this was even real. The cops, when they pin me in like that, I didn't think this.
You're going to get the help that you need, okay?
Can I please have a female cop, not this guy?
Don't give them any issues, please.
I'm not giving them any issues. It's you that is hurting a female.
Not only the best call.
PTSD from other cops. Got it. Little syndrome. This guy acting like he's big tough guy.
He's not. He's doing his job.
Your brother Dylan.
Fix my hair. I'm not doing anything.
How many do you think you sold? A lot of bags.
Yeah.
She ingested 15 bags of fentanyl.
Ooh, how much fentanyl was in each baggie? A gram or? Oh boy. Right now, let's concentrate on making sure those drugs are brought out of here. Okay?
I know you got all
You need to wake up. Hey, I got to process you. Why don't you just read this? You can read, right? Understand?
Following the high-stakes pursuit on February 28, 2025, the incident involving Electra Chulie shifted from a criminal apprehension into an emergency life-saving operation. The morning traffic stop, which began over lane violations and a missing license plate on her Subaru Legacy, quickly turned critical when Chulie rammed a police cruiser to evade state troopers. After abandoning her vehicle and fleeing into a nearby neighborhood, Chulie was tracked down by a canine unit in a dense wooded area. Upon being handcuffed, she informed arresting officers that she had ingested approximately 15 bags of fentanyl, prompting troopers to immediately administer Narcan and coordinate an emergency medical transport. Once medically cleared, Chulie was processed on a long list of felony charges, including criminal attempt to assault a public safety officer, reckless endangerment, evading responsibility, and drug possession. Due to her extensive history of fleeing and the violence of the encounter, a judge set her bond at $500,000. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.